so today we are discussing about the tag. So first thing, tag is just simple a keyword, or you can say it's just simple a metadata. So yeah, metadata, that means the information within the information is nothing but your metadata, and the keyword, that means if you want to search some content based on some keyword, then you can just simply use this tag. Okay, you can go with the tag. Now I'm just giving one example. So like here I'm just searching Ajax, okay, and I'm just simply hitting enter. So when I'm hitting enter, so this is nothing but our keyword. What is this? This one is our nothing but our keyword, and based on this keyword we got this content. So this is the content, we got it by using this keyword. Okay, so these types of requirement whenever will come, then that time we use this tag. Okay, so where it can apply, so if you want to search something based on the keyword, so where it can apply, so it has applied to a page or the asset. Okay, it will apply on two pages and two things only. First of all, it's apply on a page, and second one, it's apply on a assets. Okay, and the thing, the best thing is, like, you have an entire website. Consider you have one website. Oh, okay, so you have one website, and this website you want to just simply want some content is there, and that content you want to classify it. Okay, this content you want to classify it based on some keyword or some name, then you can simply go with your tag. Okay, and whenever we creates a tag, that time this is our CQ tag, it is a type of our tag. Okay, so whenever we create a node or something will create, that time when you will see this primary type, that is CQ colon tag, that means this one is your tag node. Okay, so here you see how where we can create the tag. So simply whenever we want to create a tag, you can just simply come inside your navigation. Here we have a tools, general, and here we have a tagging console. So you can just simply come inside this. Okay, so once you are entering here, so it will provide one platform to create a tag. But when I'm going to create the tag, it will open two options. First of all, namespace and the create tag. So namespace is just like your folder. See here at the left hand side, everything is a namespace. Okay, so it will represent as a name, it will represent as a folder, but this is also a CQ tag only. Okay, so if now I'm just creating this, now I'll show you. So here I'm just creating July tag. Okay, so this is the tag that I have created now, that is July tag. Okay, so now where it will store and how it will store. So, okay, so this is the July tag that I have created. Okay, no, and how I can create it by using this namespace. But if I'm going inside my CRXD, basically I'll tell you, tag will store inside our content folder. So where is our content folder? This one. So our tag will store inside this content folder. Okay, so content have the CQ tags, and inside our tag will store. See, this is the July tag. So when I'm clicking here, what is the resource type? Resource type is nothing but the tag only. And what is the primary type? That is also a tag. Okay, so whenever you are creating a namespace, this namespace also has CQ tag only. After that, if I'm creating, now I'm just gonna create inside the July tag, I'm creating the tags. Okay, so here you have to come and you have to name the tag. So here this time I'm just writing a colors. Okay, and I'm just adding a multiple color inside this tags. Okay, so you can just simply create it. Okay, so basically now this is our color. Okay, and now I'm just going to create the multiple tags inside this color. So that is nothing but the nested tags. Okay, if I'm creating something inside the tags, if I'm creating more than one tag or the one tag inside this color tag, then that means this is the nested tagging. Okay, so click here, create, and here we have a create tag. So right now I'm just creating red. Okay, so this is the thing that we have created. These are nothing but our tags. Okay, so these tags we are created. Now where it will store? It will store inside your July tag. First of all, it will create the color, and inside that all our tag will store. So this is the thing, we have created the tag successfully. Now I just want to attach this tag with the page, otherwise with the assets. So first we see the page, but before that just come inside this, and here this is the tag we have created. But now I just want to check this red tag, it has attached with someone or not. So how we can check it? So you can just simply click here. This is the tag, I just want to check it. Here we have option, that is reference. You can just simply click there and see. But right now this tag is not references to anyone, that means it has not attached with anyone. Okay, the same thing with this white as well. See, right now we have created no, and we haven't attached this tag with the any resources or any pages. Okay sir, so that's why it is showing the 0. Now I am just simply going there. Okay, so how we can go? So just come back. Now where we want to apply, I just simply want to attach with the pages. So how we have to go to the pages now? So I'm just going in my sites. Okay, once you are going in the sites, here we have a pages, that is US EN, and here we have a 3 pages. So I'm just adding there. So once you are clicking, you have to open the properties. Simply open the properties. Okay, so here we have options of the tag. So this is nothing but our tag field, and when you are trying to browse it, so it will open the tagging console. So this is nothing but your tagging console. Okay, so from that, which one you have created, that is July tag, and from this, now what I want, I just want to attach this page with this red. So you can just simply select and done OK. So where your all the pages will store, all your pages will store inside the content. Okay, so remove this everything, hit enter. Now we have to search the red. Okay, so here we have options of the search. You can just simply go there and just simply search the red and hit enter. Now see this tag, it's coming or not. See, so this page 1 has came. This is the page 1, it has came. We have attached no our tag. So this page 1 has came, and when we have edit, like few seconds ago we have edited. Okay, so this thing is done now. Again we'll just do one thing, the same red we attach with the page 2, same tag we attach with the page 2. Now this is the page 2, go inside the properties. Here we have a tag. Now the second tag I am just doing July red, this one we wanted, just select it and just simply save and close. Okay, so now this tag with how many pages it has connected, so how we can see? So for that we have to simply go inside our tags. So here we have a tagging console, you have to go inside this, and there we have options of the reference. You can just simply go and check it. So here we have a July tag, color, and here this is the red. So this red has connected with this tag 2. Okay, that is page 2 and the page 1. So in this way we can create the tag, and we can easily attach with the pages. But okay, so now we can see the same thing with the DAM, that means assets. Okay, so go back, where our asset will store inside the assets only. So we have to go there, files, and consider. Now we have some of the fields. Okay, so here, okay, so this is the vRetail we have. Okay, and inside this vRetail, here we have a English, and inside this English, here we have a people's photos. So we can simply take men. Okay, so now this is the photo we have, and in this photo now I just want to add the tag. So how we can do that thing? You can just simply select and go inside the properties. Okay, once you are going inside the properties, one metadata will open. This information is nothing but the metadata related to your assets. Okay, so here we have options of the tag. See, you can just simply browse it and one tagging console will open. From that you have to simply take it. So which one? That is July tag. No, you can just color it, and this time I'm just taking this black and just save and close it. Okay, so now if you want to find out anything, so we have to go to the DAM assets. This is the parent for all the DAMs, so that's why I'm just going inside the parent only. Okay, so now here we have options. You can just simply select here black and hit enter. Now black will come, so somewhere that black must be there. Here this is coming. Okay, otherwise again just try to search it. Few seconds ago we have added this. Again we are coming here and just try to search black, hit enter. Yeah, this black is coming. See, at the second this black is coming. So in this way we can attach the tags with the DAM, otherwise to a page. Okay, but the thing is, now I just want to perform programmatically operations on this tag. Okay, I just want to fetch all the data from our CRXD. This one is our CRXD and here we have all the tags. Now I just want all these tags to my servlet, and from that servlet I just want to give the response in the form of tags. Okay, that means okay, what I want here, this is the array. Okay, I just want one array, and inside that I just want to take the path of the tag. Okay, and after that I just want to take the title. So how we can do that things, and after that here we need a array, objects. So for each and individual tag I just need what I need this object. Okay, and all this object I just want to add inside this array. So how we can do that things? For that we have to create this is nothing but the JSON array. So here we have to create the JSON array. Okay, and what is this? This is the JSON object. So we have to create the JSON object. We have a lot of ways or lot of APIs by using we can easily create the JSON object or the JSON array. Okay, yesterday we have discussed something else, something different API for creating the JSON array and object. Today we'll see the different one. Okay, so here I'm just going, and after that we just have to remove this all the stuff. Okay, yeah, so here we can simply write the logic. So first of all, for performing the operation on a tag, for that we need a tag manager. Here we have a main role, that is tag manager. For performing any operation, what we need a tag manager. Okay, so this tag manager perform the CRUD operations on your tag. That means CRUD, that means create, read, update, delete. Okay, so if you want to, now what is our purpose? We want to get all these things, all these tags we want to get inside this servlet. Okay, inside this class, and later that will give the response in the form of JSON. Okay, so now I just want to get it. So how we can get? By using this tag manager, because this tag managing performing the CRUD operation, that means create, read, update, delete. Okay, so but the thing is, this tag manager for coming here he needs some connectivity and the configuration. Okay, so how we can get this connectivity and configuration? So for that we have a get resource resolver, and where is that present? Inside this request. So I'm just simply taking request dot get resource resolver. So why it's not coming? It's computing. Here this one is our get resource resolver, and this get resource resolver will return the object of the resource resolver. Now we got the resolver. Okay, so whenever we get the resolver, now we can easily create the tag manager. So here we have one method. So this is nothing but your resource now, and from the resource, by using this adapt to method, here we have one method, that is adapt to. We are converting resource to an object. So which object? We need a tag manager. Okay, this is the tag manager we needed. So it will return the object of the tag manager. So whatever you will write inside this adapt to method, you will get this object only. So right now we got the tag manager. Once we get the tag manager, you can directly call, we got the object, you can directly call to a resolve method. Here we have one method, that is resolve method. So what this method will do exactly? So this method will fetch the data, it's used for the retrieving or fetching the tags simply. So tag manager dot, here we have one method, that is resolve. Okay, you can, by using that you can easily take it. Okay, so now what we need this, all these things like yellow, black, blue, white and the red. So for that we need this path. So you can just simply copy this path, come here and just simply paste it. Okay, we got it. Now this method will return the object of the tag, so we have to accept it. See, actually inside this tag manager we have a lot of methods, and all the method will return the object of the tag only. So this method will also return the object of the tag, so we have to accept it. So we have accept, and this resolve, now we knows that all our tags, that is red, green, blue, whatever it is, all this tag where it will store inside this resolve. Okay, but now we want to print the title and the path from this resolve. Okay, from these tags, like here we have a lot of tags, red, blue, okay, something white and black. So this is the tag we have. Okay, so simply we have to go inside this tag first. Inside this tag we have to go, and we have to find out the title and the path. Okay, so for that we need some data structure to storing this all the stuff. Right now we don't have any data structure, we have only variable, and this variable only storing the parent tag, it has storing. Okay, but he will not give the permission to go inside this and take the title and the path. So how we can do that things? Okay, so for that we have to use the list children. Okay, so it will list the children and it will store inside some variable. So consider this one is the a variable, it will list the children, all your children. Okay, so from this color, like, and where is this color store? See, where is this color store? This color store inside this resolve. So from this resolve it will list all the children and it will store inside some variable. So now we'll do like that. So we have to use resolve dot list children, simple, and list children, that means it will give you all the list children. Okay, and it will return the object of iterator of tags. Okay, we knows that inside this resolve we have only the tags. Okay, we have only the tags. Okay, so this method will return, and all these tags we have stored inside this list children. So now how it has created? So it has created like that. So it has created one data structure, that is list data structure, and in that and what is the name? That is child, children, something, list children. List children we have, and inside the 0 it has stored that is consider it has stored the red, and in the black, in the 1 index, and in the 2 index it has stored something, and the 3 index it has stored something. So like that way it has stored. So from now we have to go to each and individual tags, and we have to take the title and the path. Okay, so how we can do that thing? So for that we have to iterate the while loop. Okay, I have came here while, and simply list children dot has next. Okay, so has next method, what it will do exactly? So it will see some of the tag is there who is still remaining, we haven't went there. So if it is there, so it will pick up and it will return true. Okay, but consider now you have iterated this one, this one, this one, and this one as well. but when it's going after this 0 2 3 fourth index, so here inside this fourth index we don't have anything, so that time it will return the false. Yeah, so this method will only return the true and the false. If the inside the list, if inside this list, if inside this list, if we have a, okay, so I just have to, okay, I have opened it, now it's done. Okay, so in now it will check inside our list children is there or not. If it is there, okay, then we'll simply take these children, that first one children we have to take it. So how we can take? By using a next method. Okay, and this next method will return the object of the tag. Now we got the tag, and from this tag we can just simply print the title and the path. So like next dot get title, we got the title, next dot get path, and we got the path. But it is inside that here we have a slash and all the string. Okay, so this is inside this path. When it will return, so it will return with the slashes. Okay, so this is the path, no, so we have to convert this slash into one string. Okay, so now we have converted this thing into one string. But basically how we need this data? We need this data in the form of JSON. Okay, so for that we have to create the object for the JSON. So I am just creating a JSON object here. JSON object, you can just simply create the object new, and here JSON object. Okay, we got the JSON object, just import it. And now keep in mind we have to take this package, that is org.json.json object. Got it? We got the JSON object. Okay, so now we can just simply add the data. So like JSON dot put, oh sorry, JSON object is there, no, JSON object dot put. Okay, so this is not a string, this is not a boolean, we need all two string. Just check here two string is there or not. Okay, string is not there, collection, let it be, we'll take this one. Okay, so first of all I just want to print the title, so I have taken the title, and later that how we can take the title, that is next dot get title. Okay, we got the title now. Okay, so maybe it will throws the exception, that is JSON exception, so we have to surround it with try and the catch. Okay, so we have done these things, we have to remove that, we don't need. Then we got the title, now we need a path as well, so JSON object dot put, and here we have to use the path. Okay, so next dot get, not, we don't need parent, get path we need it. Okay, we got the parent. Yeah, this thing is done now, but at the last what we need, we have to add this object inside the array. Okay, so we have to create the JSON array now. So how we can create? Just write the JSON, and here we have to write the JSON array name. So here I am creating object of the JSON array, new JSON array, finish. Just import it, and we have to import this one. Okay, so now we got it, and at the last what we have to do now, we got the result, and all our result where it has stored inside the JSON object. But now we have to transfer, we have to add this into one JSON array. Okay, so how we can add? You can just simply do one thing, JSON array dot add is not there, we have to use the put, and inside the put we have to simply add JSON object, simple. Okay, now everything is done. Now we just have to print this data in our response output. So how we can do that things? So here you have to come inside the method only. Okay, so I am just writing this data inside the method only. So you can just simply use response dot get writer dot write, and here you can just simply write JSON array, and we have to convert this JSON array into one string. Why? Because this method accepts string only. Okay, and maybe this method is 100% sure this method will return the error, that is IO exception, so we have to handle that exception here. Otherwise you can just simply use here try and the catch. Okay, this thing is done now. Now we'll just try to deploy it, and here we have uses the sling resource type, so I don't want to use this time. Now I'm just simply using that is sling servlet paths. So this is the annotation this time I'm using, and here it will take only one value, that is value. It will take only one attribute, that is value, and inside that we have to pass the value. So here I'm just sling model example. Okay, just for the example I have written anything. Now we just have to deploy it, so I'm just deploying from there. Where I have project, okay, so it has deployed successful. Now just we'll go there and we'll just try to check it. So which one is our, that is this one. Now this is the servlet, and here we have registered this servlet by using the path, so you have to copy this one. You can just simply come here, and here we have to type localhost 4502 and just simply paste it and hit enter. See, so this is the thing we are getting it. Like first of all, what it is printing, it is printing the path, and after that it is printing the title. Okay, again it is printing the path and title. Okay, the same thing it is repeating. Okay, every time it is printing the path and the title. I think somewhere we have written the wrong thing, that's why it is coming the data in the wrong format. So JSON object, JSON array, that is okay. Here JSON array dot put and the JSON object. Okay, so there is not an issue, we got the output now. That is the main thing. Okay, so we got the output now. This one is the main, and the thing is, I think we have to use this JSON array here. Here we have to use the JSON array, but we got the output now, so let it be. Now we'll see how we can create the tag manager. Okay, so sorry, how we can create the tag. So how we can do that thing? So for that, we knows that we perform the CRUD operation by using the tag manager. This one we have, and by using that we can perform the CRUD operation. Maybe we can create, we can delete, or we can update, or we can fetch the data. Okay, by using this tag manager. So now I just want to create it. So you can just simply use the tag manager dot create a tag, and you can just simply take anyone. So right now I'm just taking this. Here we have a 3 parameters. So first one, this first one is nothing but your parent, where you want to create this tag. So I just want to create this tag, like content we have. After the content, what we have? A CQ tag. CQ tags. So now we can simply go there now. So here we have a CQ tags, and after the CQ tags we have something that is a July tag. This one is our, and inside this tag I just want to create it, our own tag. So now I'm just CQ tag, and after the CQ tag what we have? We have a July tag. And inside this July tag, here we have a color. If you want to create the inside the color, you can create it. Otherwise here I'm just simply writing. So I just want to create the student tag. I just want to create it. Okay, so you can just simply write here. So inside this July tag I want to create this student, and after that this one is nothing but our title. Okay, so you can just write here title, and after that this one is our descriptions. Okay, this is the thing, we got it. Just do that things. Now it will again throw some exceptions, so we have to surround it with the try and the catch. So we got these things, and after that it will return some of the things. So what it will return, it will simply return the tag. So this is the create tag, it has written it. So you can just simply add this tag inside the JSON, otherwise you can just simply print that one. Okay, so right now you can also add it, there is no issue. So it will throws the exception if I add here JSON object dot put, and here I am just adding the child tag. I am just taking child tag. Okay, and how we can do that thing, so we just simply have to use the create tag. Okay, so this is not, we haven't created as a local. Okay, so now our error has gone. Okay, like this way we can print it. Otherwise the same thing you can just do, get writer dot write, and you can just simply use create tag, where it is create tag data, no? Yeah, create tag dot toString. Finish. Like that way you can also do that things. Okay, so we'll just try to run it and we'll check it as creating or not. Okay, so it has deployed successfully. Now we have to simply go there and just try to refresh it. Now we'll see our tag has created or not. So here you see, so first of all we have directly printed this, so it has printed, and after that it has printing these types of data. Okay, but the thing is, we have again, first of all we have created, and after that we have added with the child. See, this is the child, and after that here we have a child, and after the child we have added this create tag. So whatever the value it has storing inside this, so this value is printing. See, so this student is printing continuously. Okay, that means our tag has created successfully. So if you want to delete, you can easily delete it. If you want to read the data, you want to read more than one tags, you can also do that thing as well. Okay.